Hello folks, it's me again. In this video I'm basically going to show you what I did to this sandblasting box. It's a little bit more work, but it's nothing major, just what I've been doing. Just making some videos and keep you guys entertained with my little things. So if you like the video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and do whatever you got to do. And if you're new here, thanks for coming. If you just joined my channel, thanks. And check out the rest of the video of me fixing this thing. It's coming along. It's getting there. By the time I'm done, I'll be able to use it. Then it'll rot out again, so I can fix it. So stay tuned. What I'm doing right now is, here, I'll show you this. Why is this not going any forward? Come on, you stupid camera. There we go. Oh no, it's not the stupid camera, it's stupid me. I'm gonna fix this thing. There we go. So anyway, I'm trying to, I think these are the bolts I bought. These are the bolts I bought. I think they're all of them. Just the ones. Where's these ones? These, did I buy them for this? Nope, that ain't gonna fit in there. I think it was these ones. Let's put these ones back in there, just real quick. These in here. You know what? The hell with it. Just dump it all out. Dump them all out. These I want to put on here. Maybe too long. Don't really care because it's going inside anyway. Got this washer maybe. But I gotta see what size. Little ratchet thingy here. These are 3/8. That's the wrong size. These are 1/2 inch. Okay, 1/2 inch nuts. And right, the nut's 1/2 inch. Nope, the nut's not 1/2 inch. That's the wrong one. Duh. Alright, it's gotta be 1/4 inch. 3/8. Nope, it's not 3/8. Tell I don't play with sockets very much. Okay. 7/16. So we got this, goes on here. That goes on here. 7/16. I was gonna try. This is another 7/16. La di da di da. 7/16. Is it this one? Oh, this is metric. This is metric. I'll bet you this is metric. 10mm. What about this side? Okay, these are the exact same thing. So I got one for this side, and I got one for this side. And I need a smaller ratchet for this. Go on here. So this should fit on here. And I will probably use a drill attachment on here. Just because it'd be 1,000 times easier. So if I take this off of here. Now do we have a 7/16 adapter? Got one of these little suckers. But it won't stay in there. One of these little things. What is this for? This is for... What is this for again? This is for my sandblaster. I was going to buy a set of rollers, put these up and put a set of casters on the bottom, but I'm thinking I might just put a piece of wood on the bottom, like a sheet of plywood or something, and just screw this to it and screw the wheels to the plywood, because I have wheels, and why spend money on stuff that you don't really need? So I'm going to see if I have one of those little bolt adapters. Hold on. Do I have one? Little adapters. Oh, look, 7/16. There we go. Ta-da! So we do have a 7/16 like this. We have an old school drill. Put it on there, and we have a ratchet to hold it. Which is this? Put that back in there. So basically, I'm just gonna zippity-doo one way or the other. And I'll make sure I have guess maybe I should put a washer on the other side too. I don't know. What do you think? Do I put washers on both sides? Or just one side, or lock washers? And I don't think, depends on how big that, you know what, I'm just going to put 2 of them anyway. 1, 2, let's go overkill. Kill the over. Okay, this one's 1 for here. We get, these bolts are definitely too long though. Definitely too long, but that's what I got. That's what I'm going to use. I probably have shorter ones in the pile over there somewhere. 1, 2. 1, 2. And there. Let's put it on here for now just so I don't lose them. Just take them off as I need them. There's this one. This one and this one for here. Just so I don't lose them. I think I bought enough of these. Not sure. I think I bought enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically use this as an anchoring point. Possibly for a piece of wood or a sheet of plywood or something. I was going to make a square put on the bottom because there's always something you could figure. If I put a sheet of plywood on the bottom, it's a good like storage thing for stuff. I could put the little suction things and whatever else. Maybe. Probably doesn't really matter. Probably doesn't really matter. Come on. There's that and that. Bolts for everything. What to do? Look, that one's very good. 2 washers on it. Woohoo! One of the things I do with bolts is when I need, if I see something somebody threw in the garbage that has a lot of bolts on it, I'll go scavenge all the bolts. I won't necessarily keep the item, I'll just demolish it, because people are like, oh, why don't you just go buy new ones? Well, sometimes it's cheaper just to harvest them off of free shit on the side of the road. Because, I mean, things ain't cheap in life. And I've, like, harvested tons of bolts, and I've used tons for, like, I may have not have used all of them in 1 year, but I've used quite a bit of them. So anyway, I'm going to go set it up over there, and I'll see if I can get this off the floor somehow. Somehow. So stay tuned. I'll show you what I'm doing. Not sure if you can see this, but see if I can. This is where I'm putting it on here. This is going to go right here. Of course, like I said, the bolts are too long. So I will go like this. This through here. This side right here. And this one over here. Come on, there we go. That on there. Take the fancy ratchet out of my pocket here. Let's see, is that gonna... Oh, wrong way, wrong way. Turn that like that, and then just zippity-doo-dah. There we go. Put this on here, this on here, and this on here. Right there. Come on. Come on. That wasn't under correctly. That wasn't under correctly at all. There we go. And that's basically what I'm doing. Ta-da! I won't show you 4 times, but that is basically the bottom. I'm going to put the other one on there and the other one on way over there. Oh, and the other one. There's obviously 4. There's the rest of them. So let me turn this around here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. So that's what I'm doing in this video. Basically fixing this machine. Get it. Paint job actually looks pretty good. If you look at it, it's not the greatest, but it does look better than what it did before. So yeah, stay tuned, and this thing will be on wheels soon, and probably in a new shop by the time this is all over with. I'm probably gonna, once I get this done, probably going to take the tub out and start cutting it up and working on that. So stay tuned and keep a watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. So anyway, I put the bolts in here, I put the bolts in there, I put the bolts in way over there, put them in over there, and I also screwed an old piece of wood to the bottom over here and over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it sideways and put this on rollers as soon as I get the top off here, and that piece right here, you see in the middle, is going to get a makeover. But for now, at least I can wheel it around. So if I got to get it out of here, I can just put some temporary bolts in it and get it all working. So yeah, it's pretty much what I did. That's not much. I just put that little bolt in there. I basically jerry-rigged it with some washers and a wood screw, and over here you can kind of see it. Temporary, but at least I can wheel it around. Scrap wood. Use what I got. Yeah. The inside is got a few rough spots, but I'm gonna clean those out when I use the sandblaster. I forgot to clean the paint here a little. So I hope you liked the sandblasting job. The wheels will go on it soon, and ta-da! Plus I have wheels, so why buy new ones? Anyway, that's it for now.